Feel the joy of driving with the 2025 Nissan Rogue SV Moonroof all-wheel drive, ready to elevate your journeys from Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals, Canada's huggable car dealer. Perfect for cruising New Brunswick's scenic roads or tackling daily errands, our Rogue blends style, comfort, and capability into one irresistible package. Step inside and enjoy the power moonroof that fills your cabin with sunshine and fresh air. With cozy seating and dual-zone climate control, every drive feels tailor-made for your comfort. Need space? Our Rogue's roomy interior makes packing for camping trips, grocery hauls, or weekend getaways a breeze. Stay confidently in control with intelligent all-wheel drive, ready to handle New Brunswick's unpredictable weather. Nissan Safety Shield technologies and a rear-view monitor add an extra layer of peace of mind on every trip. Plus, tech-savvy features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a vibrant touchscreen infotainment system keep you connected and entertained. When you buy from Jim Gilbert's, you also get our 12-month huggable guarantee, balance of factory warranty, 2 keys, a full tank of gas, a spin on our spin-to-win gas wheel, and more. Stop by or call us today and experience a ride that hugs you back.
We'll give you a hug because we love ya. You're a customer and that's the way we feel. We'll give you a hug